Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to review and show you a device that aims to keep your conversations private. It's called the Rabbler. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on the latest news by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Now let's get right into it. The Rabbler is designed to keep conversations private by producing white noise that will actually disguise your words and kind of mix them and jumble them into this noise, preventing someone from recording what you're saying. Using the Rabbler is extremely easy. If we take a look at what's in the box, you'll find the Rabbler itself, a carrying case, as well as a mini screwdriver to get into the battery compartment on the bottom. It operates on a single 12-volt battery. The Rabbler feels extremely well made and sturdy. On the front, you will find a large speaker along with a power button and a volume knob. To put the Rabbler to the test, what I'm going to do is I have a standard audio recorder right here. I'm going to start a recording with this, and when I turn on the Rabbler, what should happen is you shouldn't be able to hear what I'm saying in the playback of the audio recorder itself. So let's get going here. Let me go ahead and turn on the audio recorder. Okay, so the audio recorder is now recording everything that I'm saying, and then I'm going to actually turn on the Rabbler, okay? So you can see that I'm still talking. 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep talking. I'm going to turn the Rabbler back on, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm still talking. Hello, hello. You might be able to hear my voice just a little bit, but I'm still talking. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop the recording on the audio recorder here. And then I'm going to play it back for you, and we're going to see what we got. So the audio recorder is now recording everything that I'm saying, and then I'm going to actually turn on the Rabbler. Okay? So you can see that I'm still talking. 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep talking. I'm going to turn the Rabbler back on. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Wow. On the audio recorder here. That worked really well. I've tested a lot of white noise generators over the years, and this has got to be one of my all-time favorites. It's very well built and sturdy. It seems to work extremely well. If you're in need of keeping your conversations private, I would highly recommend this device. Now, if you guys do have any questions, we monitor the comment section on all of our videos, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.